Jade Monkey. Ooh, max bet is $3. We do a couple spins. How do we get a bonus? $20. We'll take that hit. Faster. Will it hit? Will it hit? What is the bonus? Should we get 5 Jade Monkeys in a row? We need the Jade Monkeys to start the bonus. So 3 of those guys, we give you the bonus. Where are you, Jade Monkeys? That's a decent symbol. There's that Jade Monkey. Let's do one more set. We're at $44, $41. Nah, that's not a hit. Should we go there to line up? And our FOMO spends leave at $32. We'll back it up because two came out. $11 win. A little something there. Ooh, come on. One more last spin then. Let's go. Let's go after this one. Well, $8, so we can go, right? $30, leave at 30. Alright, last spin. No Jade Monkey this time.